I'm so happy right now, guys. I'm in the shower here. So this is where you pay the $6. You get a good sized shower. You can brush your teeth. You can use the toilet. Do whatever you want. Where are we going? South Korea. I wonder what we're gonna do in South Korea. Look at this one's hairstyle. All getting hot and stuff. Beautiful aircraft. Yeah? Alright. So here we go. This is us. Hi. I'm good. We now board our flight. We're on our way to. Where are we going?
Incheon Seoul, South Korea.
Oh yeah, South Korea. So yes, we're on the flight. See, we're about to leave, or we'll leave pretty soon. Hi guys, so I'm in the Incheon Airport and I'm at the lounge section, which is free. You don't have to pay, which is awesome because I have a 17 hours layover and I'm just here chilling. So I'm going to show you around a little bit of what the airport looks like. It's very cool. It's beautiful. It's large. And I'm just going to show you a bit of it. This is the entrance to the lounge area. And also, I'll be taking a shower. So I'm so happy I didn't have to book a hotel room outside. They have the shower area. For persons who are transferring, you pay $6 for the shower, and for other persons I think you pay a little bit more. But I love it. This is a bit of it. Yeah, so you get a comfortable seat to sit on. You get a footrest, you get a place to charge your laptop, you get to work if you have to work, and you just look out and this. How cool is that? So further on in the night I'm going to show you around the airport, but I'm gonna take a shower first. Hi, I'm ready. YouTuber? Travel, yeah. Yes.
Air conditioner? Air conditioner.
Okay. Alright. Hold on. I have to go and come back. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Nothing more. Thank you. Again? I'm so happy right now, guys. Thank you. You get a toothbrush. Yeah. You get hair conditioner if you want to wash your hair. And you also get a towel. How awesome is that? So now I'm gonna shower. So I just got my shower, guys, and now I'm nice and clean and ready to go. And I'm wearing one of my shirts. Tell me if you like this. All right, guys. So this is one of the boards, smart boards that you will see all around the where am I? The airport. So you choose a language, which is English for me because I already chose that, and then you get to see where you are. This is the airport, and you choose. So I'm looking for food. So here I chose food, of course. So you have the different kinds. You have the food court, and then it tells you which floor it's on and what type. So Korean Garden, I think I wanna go and have a. Oh, it closes at 10. Now it's 10, so I go there. And this one closes at 10 as well. Oh, this is close to me. 18 meters. I'm 1 minute away. Okay, fourth floor. And the fourth floor, I think, is there. Yeah, because I see. Oh, I see that food court. And food court is right here. Yeah. So we're gonna go and have a look and see what's up there and what they have to eat. Yeah, taco booth. Let's see what they have here. This is a large menu. What should I try? I think I want to try the chicken burrito. My food is ready. Could you? Where's the cover? Thank you. Alright, this is the entrance of the transit hotel. Staff only. Unfortunately for me, all the rooms are sold out, as I was saying. I was hoping to still get one, so I could get a good night's sleep. They charge by hours. Minimum is 12 hours, and that costs $106 US, like 106. So it's not bad, because when you want to get sleep, you want to get sleep, but I'm sold out, man. So I'm not gonna exit the airport. I'm in the area. I went through immigration and all of that already. So I'm not, if I had to exit, or if I had exited the airport, I would have had to apply for a KETA visa. I'm trying to remember the correct thing in my head, but I think it's KETA. Yeah, but if I'm transferring and I'm staying in the hotel, I don't have to apply for that visa. So luckily I decided, because I was still looking, because I was thinking about the 17 hours, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't do this. But then I decided last minute, I'm saying, you know what, I'm not going outside. This is too much. And I don't really like traveling. I love traveling, but I don't really like the process, going through the airport, going through immigration and all of that with the bags, and I don't like that part. Yeah, but I love traveling. I love exploring and so forth. So that's why I decided that I'm not going outside. Guess what I'm seeing here, guys? Dunkin's Donuts. Ay, ay, ay. I love Dunkin's. Which one should I buy? I seriously think I want this one. Then you slide. I only need this, just one. I ain't gonna get five. Where do I cash? Here? Here? Oh, okay. Just keep this here too. Gonna walk around. I got myself a donut now. I'm gonna buy some juice. Hi. Yeah. Two different things. How much? In USD. $3. I don't have $3. Thank you. So I'm staying here, up there. Yeah, there is where they have the free lunch area. Okay. So if you should ever visit this part of the world and you have to transit, free lunch up there. Okay, not hard to find. It's between okay, Building B and between gate 268 to 270. Not hard to find. So this is what I got at Dunkin's. My donuts and my iced coffee. I love iced coffee, but I haven't eaten anything substantial from morning. I didn't have breakfast. I only got the meal on the flight, so I have to eat something. So I'm gonna try this and see how good it is, and I'm also gonna try my Dunkin's and see if it is as good. My iced coffee, yeah. Now for the reveal. Alright, so it's night here now, so don't mind the darkness, but I'm gonna try my chicken burrito and see how good it is. By the way, no one is here right now. Everybody left. Well, we have a few, but I'm here alone enjoying my meal. So let's see. It's good. They gave me a spark. Not bad. It's good. Hopefully it's not because I'm hungry. Now I'm gonna try the chicken and see how good it is. It's good. Spicy, but I like spicy. It's good. People, it's spicy. Ooh. Jesus. It's spicy, spicy bad. Just gonna put that aside for now and try my donut because it's good. It doesn't taste fresh, you know, like it's freshly made. But this is so nice. A little garden to keep the air fresh. How beautiful is this? Oh my god. Oops. How beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing me in the mirror. Hey. This is awesome. Still looking for a Korean garden because I think that board wasn't working properly. So now I'm going to click on direction, see. Okay, there we are. From 3rd floor to 4th floor. Guys, do you hear this? Do you hear this behind me? Well, 4 o'clock in the night. He's the only one getting a good night rest. This will make a truck. Remember last night compared to this morning? Full. Hello. Whoa. Huh? Upstairs. Upstairs? Downstairs. Downstairs, yes. Oh.